So the question I got asked is, can an admin of a Google Workplace domain, which is Google Business, can they view the files in your Google Drive? And I'm going to show you the answer to that question. All right, I'm showing you my Google admin dashboard. This is my full dashboard for my business account. This is, and you can see I have 4 email addresses on my business account. And you can see that 2 of us are very, very active. 5.15 gigs of email, 4.48 gigs of email for this user, and the other 2 users are not very active. Now, I'm not going to show you all of their data, but I'm going to show you what an admin can and cannot access from this. First of all, I can't go to their Google Drive. There's no way. I mean, if I hover over that, let's see more options. I can add to groups. I can email the person, suspend it, restore their data if they had deleted their data. I can delete the user and I can move them to another organizational unit. Nothing about seeing their Google Drive. So if I go, let me go look at the user. So if I go look at the user, I can see he has 0.01 gigabytes of mail, 0 drive usage. This user is not using any drive. It's got 2 documents there, but there's no link for me to go click on and see the doc or the drives, et cetera, et cetera. I can see that the last time this person signed in was 2 months ago. I can see the account was created July 2nd of 2012. There's nothing in here about going, this is send an email, suspend them. There's nothing in here about going and seeing their documents or their drive or their mail for that matter. An admin by default does not have access to that information. If this user wanted to, the user could give me as an individual, not as the admin, but as an individual who happens to be the admin, access to their Google Docs and their Google folders, but cannot give me access to their entire Google Drive. Additionally, if the user wanted to, the user could make me an admin, no, that's not the right word, but make me, associate me with their email so I could access their email account as an agent of them. But as an admin from the dashboard of the domain, there is no way for me to get to their docs, their drive, or their mail. Additionally, if I wanted to, I could change their password as an admin and log into their Google account through this domain and get access to everything. However, that's going to alert the user that I did that, and they're not going to have access to their own system unless I give them that password. So that's an abusive way to do it. Might be the right way to do it depending upon the need. But the bottom line is, from a Google Workplace domain, from the admin panel as an admin, they do not have access to your mail, your drive, or your docs unless you give them access or they take it away by changing the password. Teddy Burris, your Google Workplace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.